had a chance to walk through Sugar Mill Academy, the school, and visit all of the classes and to see how the learning through the OECS Early Learning Program that's partnering with USAID as well as the Ministry of Education here in St. Vincent. And I was very impressed and enthusiastic being able to see the kids and how they are learning through the various learning techniques that the teachers have learned through this program.
Literacy is one of our major concerns because we feel that if students are unable to read, it affects every other area of their life and their development. From my observation this morning, I see there is a culture at the school of literacy. There's a culture of reading, and students are on board and they're excited about the whole process.
My son would read all those books as well.
Sugar Mill had an ongoing program called Read to Succeed. Being a part of the ELP program allowed us to expand on our Read to Succeed project. Our program does not only focus on children who are struggling with reading, but also children who we recognize are reading ahead, and it permits them to make strides and read ahead and not be limited to reading at their grade level. Because of this, a lot of the students here at Sugar Mill are reading above grade level, and many who started on the program are now back in their classrooms reading at grade level.
I was very happy to see how enthusiastic they are about reading, because in terms of literacy, reading is very important, it's fundamental, and being able to see how the children are learning, not only to read, but also the critical thinking that's going into the learning, that they seem to be doing extremely well and on their trajectory and their progress. So being able to interact with the kids, seeing them in the classroom, seeing the teachers and how they are implementing and utilizing the tools, to me was very impressive.
It has been just absolutely amazing, the progress that we have seen, and we have to thank the ELP program for making us a part of it. It has certainly allowed us to expand and make great strides here at Sugar Mill in terms of literacy.